Welcome to Sam's Ideas Hub. Welcome to Sam's Ideas Hub, your ultimate destination for groundbreaking, practical, and innovative organizational solutions designed to transform your living spaces, enhance productivity, and inspire creativity. In this comprehensive guide, we dive deep into 13 unique and assembled useful ideas for 2025, meticulously crafted to cater to a broad audience, from urban minimalists and eco-conscious consumers to pet owners and DIY enthusiasts. Each idea is explored in detail, offering actionable insights, material recommendations, and real-world applications to help you declutter, optimize, and reimagine your daily life. Let's embark on this journey of innovation and organization. 1. Seasonal Decor and Festival Organizers Ideas 2025. Seasonal decor and festival organization in 2025 revolves around adaptability and aesthetic integration. Collapsible fabric bins with reversible designs, featuring patterns like autumn foliage on one side and winter motifs on the other, allow seamless transitions between seasons. These bins are constructed from durable, water-resistant polyester and can be flattened for compact storage. Pair them with modular shelving systems equipped with interchangeable magnetic panels. For instance, a Halloween-themed panel with bat silhouettes can be swapped for a floral spring design. Bamboo crates, treated with natural oils to resist moisture, serve dual purposes. Stacked vertically in closets, they store ornaments and lights, while during festivals, they double as rustic display units filled with lanterns or seasonal produce. To protect delicate items like heirloom decorations or LED string lights, UV-resistant plastic bins with airtight seals prevent fading and dust accumulation. For smaller items such as holiday cards or table centerpieces, a rotating display rack with adjustable tiers ensures visibility and accessibility. Pro tip: integrate smart labels with QR codes linked to a digital inventory app to track storage locations and condition reports for each seasonal item. 2. Pet Supplies Organizer Ideas. Pet organization in 2025 emphasizes multifunctionality and accessibility. A wall-mounted pet station near entryways combines a bench with hidden compartments for leashes, waste bags, and treats. The bench seat, upholstered in scratch-resistant fabric, lifts to reveal segmented storage, while adjustable hooks beneath hold harnesses and collars. For food storage, opt for stackable, airtight containers made from BPA-free plastic with built-in portion scoops. Label these containers using QR codes linked to a pet care app that tracks feeding schedules, dietary restrictions, and purchase dates. A mobile grooming cart with locking wheels features a 3-tier design. The top tray holds brushes and combs, the middle shelf stores shampoos and towels, and the bottom basket accommodates a foldable drying rack. In play areas, install a wall-mounted grid panel with silicone-coated clips and mesh baskets to organize toys by size and type. Near the door, a magnetic strip holds metal keys for waste bags and a clip for disposable gloves, ensuring quick access during walks. For pet beds, consider models with under-bed storage drawers for toys or seasonal accessories. 3. Creativity, Minimalism, and Conscious Consumption Organizers Ideas 2025. Minimalism in 2025 is redefined through organizers that merge creativity with sustainability. Upcycled materials take center stage. Repurpose vintage suitcases into wall-mounted shelves for art supplies or convert wine crates into modular storage units with caster wheels for mobility. Transparent acrylic tray systems with customizable dividers cater to artists, allowing precise organization of paints, brushes, and sketching tools. Pair these trays with a digital inventory app that scans QR codes on storage bins to monitor supply levels and suggest restocking dates, reducing overconsumption. For conscious consumers, modular wall grids crafted from recycled aluminium offer flexibility. Attach magnetic containers for stationery, clips for inspirational notes, or small pots for air purifying plants. To encourage mindful purchasing, implement a one in, one out rule using labeled bins. Each new item added requires an old item to be donated or recycled. Pro tip: host quarterly decluttering workshops, using video tutorials to guide viewers in repurposing old organizers into new functional pieces, such as transforming mason jars into pendant lights or tin cans into cable organizers. 4. Convertible furniture for tiny spaces 2025. Convertible furniture in 2025 maximizes functionality in compact living environments. A loft bed with a fold-down desk is ideal for studio apartments. The desk, constructed from lightweight yet sturdy aluminium, features built-in cable management and folds vertically against the bed frame. Under-bed storage includes pull-out drawers for office supplies and a retractable clothing rack for seasonal wear. For dining areas, hydraulic lift coffee tables with tempered glass tops expand into 6-seat tables. Hidden compartments beneath store table linens, cutlery, and charger cords. Sofas evolve into storage powerhouses. Models with removable back cushions reveal hidden compartments for blankets, while chaise lounges include pull-out drawers for board games or media accessories. Wall-mounted foldable desks paired with floating shelves create workspace solutions that disappear after hours. Opt for desks with integrated wireless charging pads and LED task lighting. Pro tip: use furniture with neutral tones and matte finishes to maintain a cohesive aesthetic in multifunctional spaces. 5. Magnetic organizer innovations. Magnetic organizers in 2025 leverage advanced materials for seamless integration into daily routines. In kitchens, magnetic spice racks with heat-resistant stainless steel jars attached to fridge panels, freeing cabinet space. Label jars using chalkboard paint or erasable markers for quick updates. For garages, a magnetic tool wall with outlined silhouettes ensures tools like wrenches and pliers are always within reach. Use neodymium magnets coated in rubber to prevent scratches. In cars, magnetic cable clips on dashboards keep charging cords untangled, while a magnetic key holder with a built-in shelf near entryways stores wallets and sunglasses. For heavy-duty applications, industrial-strength magnetic strips hold cast iron pans or power tools securely. Pro tip: apply a clear epoxy coating to magnetic surfaces to enhance durability and resistance to moisture or grease. 6. Transparent and stackable storage solutions. Transparency and modularity define 2025 storage trends. Crystal clear acrylic bins with reinforced corners are ideal for pantries, displaying grains, pasta, and snacks to reduce food waste. Opt for bins with silicone gaskets for airtight freshness. Modular stackable drawers under beds utilize vertical space for seasonal clothing. Label drawers using LED lit tags powered by rechargeable batteries. In refrigerators, stackable containers with date markers feature silicone lids for easy cleaning and vacuum seals to prolong freshness. For makeup enthusiasts, acrylic trays with adjustable compartments organize brushes and palettes, while stackable nail polish racks mount to vanity mirrors. Pro tip: Standardize bin sizes across rooms to enable interchangeable use and optimize storage layouts. 7. Smart labeling and QR code organizers. Smart labeling in 2025 integrates digital convenience with physical organization. QR code labels linked to cloud-based apps provide detailed inventories. Scan a bin to view contents, expiration dates, or maintenance instructions, e.g., winter coats, dry clean before storage. Erasable e-ink labels on pantry jars update via smartphone apps, syncing with grocery lists. For children's toys, implement color-coded systems. Red bins for Legos, blue for stuffed animals, paired with NFC tags that trigger voice reminders like clean up blocks before dinner. In offices, use QR codes on file boxes to access digital copies of documents, reducing paper clutter. Pro tip: laminate QR labels for longevity and place them in consistent locations for intuitive scanning. 8. Multi-use wall hooks and hanger hacks. Wall hooks in 2025 combine utility with smart technology. Collapsible hooks made from reinforced polymer fold flat against walls when unused, ideal for entryways or bathrooms. Hooks with integrated USB ports charge devices while holding keys or bags. Choose models with fast charging capabilities and surge protection. For decorative flair, wooden hooks with miniature shelves hold succulents or candles, enhancing ambience. In bathrooms, adhesive hooks with suction cups secure loofahs or razors without damaging tiles. Pro tip: install hooks at varying heights to accommodate different items and users, ensuring ergonomic accessibility. 9. Eco-friendly organizer alternatives. Eco-conscious organizers in 2025 prioritize biodegradable and upcycled materials. Recycled paper rope baskets, treated with natural waxes for water resistance, organize laundry or toys. Jute-wrapped storage boxes with cotton liners add rustic charm to shelves while being compostable. Upcycle tin cans into brush holders by coating them with non-toxic chalkboard paint for labels. For zero-waste kitchens, beeswax-coated fabric wraps replace plastic bags for pantry storage. Pro tip: source materials from local artisans or recycling centers to reduce carbon footprints and support community initiatives. 10. Under-table and hidden storage ideas. Hidden storage solutions in 2025 optimize underutilized spaces. Silicone trays with strong adhesive backs clip under desks to hold stationery or tech accessories. Under dining tables, Velcro-based pouches store napkins and cutlery, while magnetic strips inside cabinet doors hold spices or cleaning tools. In bathrooms, stick-on drawers with water-resistant seals organize cosmetics under sinks. Pro tip: use tension rods under sinks to hang spray bottles or scrub brushes, maximizing vertical space. 11. Lazy Susan hacks for every room. Lazy Susans in 2025 evolve into multi-tiered organizational tools. In kitchens, double-decker rotating shelves in corner cabinets store spices and oils, while a three-tier Lazy Susan in pantries organizes snacks and canned goods. For skincare routines, a turntable with tiered acrylic shelves holds serums and moisturizers, and in offices, rotating trays keep supplies like staplers and sticky notes accessible. Pro tip: choose Lazy Susans with non-slip surfaces and ball-bearing mechanisms for smooth rotation. 12. Transparent wall pockets and hanging systems. Transparent organizers in 2025 enhance visibility and accessibility. Clear PVC pockets mounted on doors store cleaning supplies or shoes, while vinyl wall pockets in craft rooms hold scissors and glue guns. In bathrooms, suction cup organizers with multiple compartments store toiletries or skincare samples. Pro tip: use UV-resistant materials to prevent yellowing over time and maintain clarity. 13. Modular craft and art organizer sets. Modularity in 2025 empowers artists with customizable storage. Snap-together plastic trays with adjustable dividers organize beads or threads, while rolling carts with magnetic boards display fabric swatches or sketches. For children, color-coded rolling drawers with locking wheels make cleanup engaging. Pro tip: label trays using icon-based stickers for universal understanding, regardless of language. Thank you for exploring these revolutionary ideas with Sam's Ideas Hub. If this guide inspired you to reimagine your spaces, we invite you to join our community of innovators. Subscribe to our channel for weekly videos packed with cutting-edge organization hacks, DIY projects, and sustainability tips. Share this video with friends, family, or colleagues who crave a clutter-free, efficient lifestyle. Comment below with your favorite idea, ask questions, or suggest topics for future content. We value your input and look forward to building a vibrant, creative community together. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Remember, every small step toward organization is a leap toward a more intentional and empowered life. Keep creating, keep organizing, and keep thriving. This is Sam, signing off until next time. See you in the next video. Welcome to Sam's Ideas Hub. Welcome to Sam's Ideas Hub, your ultimate destination for groundbreaking, practical, and innovative organizational solutions designed to transform your living spaces, enhance productivity, and inspire creativity. In this comprehensive guide, we dive deep into 13 unique and assembled useful ideas for 2025, meticulously crafted to cater to a broad audience, from urban minimalists and eco-conscious consumers to pet owners and DIY enthusiasts. Each idea is explored in detail, offering actionable insights, material recommendations, and real-world applications to help you declutter, optimize, and reimagine your daily life. Let's embark on this journey of innovation and organization. 1. Seasonal Decor and Festival Organizers Ideas 2025. Seasonal decor and festival organization in 2025 revolves around adaptability and aesthetic integration. Collapsible fabric bins with reversible designs, featuring patterns like autumn foliage on one side and winter motifs on the other, allow seamless transitions between seasons. These bins are constructed from durable, water-resistant polyester and can be flattened for compact storage. Pair them with modular shelving systems equipped with interchangeable magnetic panels. For instance, a Halloween-themed panel with bat silhouettes can be swapped for a floral spring design. Bamboo crates, treated with natural oils to resist moisture, serve dual purposes. Stacked vertically in closets, they store ornaments and lights, while during festivals, they double as rustic display units filled with lanterns or seasonal produce. To protect delicate items like heirloom decorations or LED string lights, UV-resistant plastic bins with airtight seals prevent fading and dust accumulation. For smaller items such as holiday cards or table centerpieces, a rotating display rack with adjustable tiers ensures visibility and accessibility.